This icon appears, my progress is being saved. Let's hope it is. I'm pretty sure there's like a secret item in here. And I really want to get it. But I don't know if I can reach that spot yet. I'll just complete the story first. Obviously, I don't have any ammo. Ugh. Hey, my friend. Can I kill him from up here? No, I failed. God dang it. Just more money I have to spend. Ooh.
I got some great bargains for you today.
Now this is one flaw that I really hate.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Yeah, I agree, buddy. I really want that. Oh yeah. Oh no. Hey, little friends. Alright. I need 2,500 bolts, and I'm not really getting... Oh! Dang it. I'm not really getting... It is so hard to control this character. Goodbye. Yeah, give me that money. Wait, you can interact with these. Oh. I'm saving the world. Sure seems like it. Yes, give me all the stuff. Ah! Oof. This is so easy. I say that as I'm going to die, maybe.
Don't hurt me.
It's very sad that I think we're gonna hurt him.
Mercenaries, torturers, assassins. I'll tell you anything. Here, take my info bot. It's all I've got left.
Sir, we're not assassins.
Hold on. Let's see what he's got.
I want to see this.
This ever happened to you?
Yes.
Hi, I'm Captain Quark, and believe me, there's nothing worse than staring down a Blargian snagglebeast from the inside and knowing your equipment isn't functioning properly. That's why I come to Al's Robo Shack for all my electronic needs. Al has been the exclusive repair shop for my super electro gadgets since I was knee-high to a sand mouse. If Al can't fix it, it's not broke. Right, Al? You said it, pal. So if you're fighting crime, or just fighting grime, come to Al's Robo Shack in Metropolis for all your robotic repairs. Al's Robo Shack, it's Quarktastic.
Why does that quote always tick me off?
Do you know what this means?
Yeah, Captain Quark is really sold out.
No, it means Captain Quark is on Metropolis. We could tell him about this invasion.
If we had a ship.
What? A ship? What? You're not going to torture me? Well,
Yeah, I look like I would.
Chairman, I could arrange for you to borrow our courier ship.
Look at that hot ship right there.
Right. Thank you, your chairman shipliness.
What?
Gadgetron infobots give you coordinates for new planets. You should press the select button to bring up the map and go on the ship. It's marked with a star.
So yeah, like she just said, my ship is marked with a star. Question marks are places I have to go to. And what did I just... Oh no. I played the video. Oops.
Gadgetron infobots.
You just... Oh my... I'm sorry, I am so used to the circle button being like the exit button. On a PS3, the circle button is always like the exit. On the PS2, it's always the triangle button. Please, video games, make up your mind. Oh, man. I'm about 500 volts away. There's like a secret... There's like a secret up here, too, and... Oh, I nearly fell. I totally hate this, like, I don't know what you call this, an obstacle course? I don't know. Ugh. Yeah, thanks. Oh, I'm so close to 2,500. Now, one thing I need to tell you guys is that in this game you can bounce off of walls. There's a secret right here. Yeah, look at this. Sweet, a gold bolt. Gold bolts can be used to upgrade our weapons, but we can only upgrade them after we complete the game. You need gold bolts and a lot of regular bolts. I know this might sound really confusing. Oh god. No. I can't wait till I get used to these controls again. Ooh. Oh, I'm just about 150 bolts away. There we go. Oh, I hate this part. At least we get some money. What's this thing again? Oops. Oh shoot, I forgot that we can drown. How could I forget that? It's literally the one thing that always... Ugh! Stupid fan. Ugh. I'm not gonna bother with that enemy. Yes! Oh, I reached 2,500! Sweet! Now I can get a flamethrower. Oh, look.
God blast it!
Look, plumber's crack.
What did you just say?
I said, look, the plumber's back.
All right, wise guy. Shouldn't you be on one of them escape transports?
Escape transports.
Newsflash, giant robots attacking. The escape transports are taking all the rich folks off this goddamn planet.
So why aren't you on one?
Socioeconomic disparity.
What?
We haven't got enough boats.
Working people have to wait for Captain Quark to save us.
Well, got anything worth a lot of bolts?
I got this thing. Shows two weirdos ditching their ship. It's got coordinates to a desert planet, too.
An infobot. Ratchet, we could use that.
Oh my... This is one thing I hate in this game series. You have to pay to continue the story. Oh! Okay, look, I'm gonna take like a small break. I will be right back. Hey guys, I am back, and I'm going to spend all... Oh, wait, I forgot about these.
To enter look-around mode, press and hold the L1 button.
I wish I knew that before I got a new remote. Can I fit over here? Oh. Alright. Well, I might as well pay my money.
Geronimo!
Did you just slide down a sewer pipe?
Well, we gotta go down that pipe later.
Mayday, mayday! This is the solar ship Radical. We seem to be under attack from the planet's surface.
Relax, kid. It looks like some sort of fireworks display. Probably in your honor.
Whoa! Close, close! Ah!
Right down, I can't concentrate.
Oh, we've been hit!
An unexpected detour. When we land, I'll see if I can scare up an exhibition for you.
We're not gonna live that long!
Kid, let's M-screen!
Eject! Eject!
Jeez.
Did you see that guy on the left? That was Skid McMarks.
Does he know Captain Quark?
I doubt it. He's a pro hub reporter, always going off about how cool he is.
Looks like he's in trouble.
I'll say, I've never seen him look so freaked out.
Alright, so... I mean... More money. Come on! Oh, I'm so close. Alright, so before we do go to that world, I do want to see if there was like a second pathway. Wait, no, I don't think I can go this way. I think I needed like a certain device from another planet. Dang. Alright, well we have Kirwan or Metropolis and Outpost X11. Well, let's go in order. Now, as we are waiting for this, I would also like to say... What would I like to say? I'm sorry, guys. This is the time where I can't fill in any useless chatter while the game is loading. Okay. Alright. Alright, so we can go left or we can go right. Now, I'm going to leave a Google form down below telling me which way should I go. Just kidding, I just fooled you all. I do not want to go that way, I just remembered what happens.
I got some great bargains.
Ooh.
That's a real beauty.
Yes. Either a flamethrower or a minigun. I don't know, but I can't even afford it, so why am I teasing myself?
Quickly center the camera. Just tap the L1 button.
Quickly center the camera. Quickly. Oh, okay. Ugh. Goodbye. You feel bad killing them all, but then you remember that they are trying to kill you. Oh! I love this world, mostly because you get to go, like, you have to, like, race yourself down a train or something. That's, like, one of the only fun things. Oh. Insomniac, if you are somehow watching this video, don't be mad if I fill in a smart comment. Ah! I'm just skipping through this world, not killing anything. Yes! 2,500 bolts. Now I can finally get that gun.
That we saw the infobot. Remember, he knows Captain Quark.
Hey, you're that robot guy, right?
No, actually, I build robots. I myself am not a robot guy, per se.
Nerd. I like him.
So, now that we've cleared that up, what can I do for you?
Well, we saw your infobot announcement. You were with Captain Quark. We're trying to find Captain Quark. We thought you could help us.
Your logic is commendable. However, I haven't seen Captain Quark since we shot that commercial. Say, do you run on standard XP18 sister boards?
What?
Version 7.66.
Back at ya. I may be able to help you out after all. How does a helipack upgrade sound?
Oh.
Snatch. Since he's a 766, I could have the little guy up and flying in no time. Of course, I'll just need my fee for service.
No! Oh my god! Oh my god! No! Oh! And I can't continue the story unless I buy it. Oh, I hate this.
Okay.
Mm.
Heard a bit.
Hey, wait. Ratchet, am I cool now?
Yeah, you the man, Clank.
You're welcome.
I didn't say thank you. Your fee was too much.
Try using the Helipack's fence jump feature to climb these boxes. Press the R1 button to crouch, then jump.
Ah, $1,000.